Teen charged with rape after reported attack on woman in St. James. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the
Welcome
full
to Links
details to come.
007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 17-year-old student of Montego Bay St. James's has been charged with rape and grievous sexual assault following an incident in his community on Monday, August the 5th. Reports from the Montego Bay police are that at around 3:30 p.m., a woman was in her bathroom when the teen reportedly gained entry and sexually assaulted her. He allegedly threatened her to burn down her house if she spoke of the incident. It is further reported that the following day the teen attempted to assault the woman once more, but a passerby intervened and the matter was then reported to the police. Following an investigation, the teen was arrested and charged. His court date is to be finalized. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.